Marking out. A pencil and a ruler are used to mark out wood. A tri-square will give you an accurate 90-degree line to a horizontal edge. Templates can be used to mark out the outline of an irregular shape. Templates are good for batch production when a part must be made multiple times. Production aid. Production aids are tools and equipment that can speed up and improve the accuracy and precision of production. A marking gauge marks a line parallel to an edge. A mortise gauge marks a double line. A sliding bevel can be set at an angle. A marking knife is a woodworking layout tool used for accurately marking workpieces. It is used to cut a visible line, which can then be used to guide a hand saw, chisel or plane when making woodworking joints and other operations. Jigs are specially made tools that do one job. They help in the production of a component. A drilling jig allows the making of holes quickly and efficiently. Templates are used to draw the outline of an irregular shapes. Patterns can be used to machine an outline or profile. Cutting. A coping saw can be used to cut curves in timber if a blade for wood is fitted. A tenon saw can be used to cut straight lines in timber. A handsaw is used for cutting large pieces of timber. A jigsaw is an electric power tool that has a reciprocating blade that cuts wood. Shaping. A rasp is used to shape wood. Chisels are used to shape wood, but they can also be used to make joints. Drilling. Pillar drills and handheld portable rechargeable drills can be used to make holes of different diameters depending on the size of drill bit chosen. Portable drills are more versatile but require a sturdy surface and more skill. Router. Routers can be used to make grooves, slots, channels, and joints in timber. Different types of router bits can be fitted to do different jobs. A router can be mounted under a table to make it more useful. CNC routers can be controlled through the use of code. A design can be converted in numerical code and sent to the router. CNC routers can produce high-quality wooden components. They are accurate and precise. Wood lathes can be used to produce circular or cylindrical components. In industry, wood lathes can produce high-quality wood components from CAD files. There are a wide range of wood joints. There are simple joints like the butt joint. They are simple to produce and are relatively weak. The dovetail joint is difficult to produce but gives good strength. Tables, chairs, wooden frames, windows, and doors are produced using frame joints. PVA and contact adhesives are two types of glue that are used to glue joints.